Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! Guys, naranasan niyo na bang mag-cross ng bridge ng may transparent na part na tulad niyan? Or yung may tempered glass? How about mag-bicycle, zipline, or mag-zip bike?
Mama! Mama, nagbike si Mama!
Na-try mo na bang mag-ATV? Or sumakay sa cable car or cable jeep? At marami pang outdoor activities na perfect sa mga adventure junkie out there. Plus guys, you can also enjoy their 1,600 square meters na swimming pool. O diba, ang bongga, ang laki niyan. Lahat ng yan guys ay matatagpuan sa pinakabagong adventure place dito sa Cavite. Kaya naman ang tagline nila is where nature meets adventure. Of course, dito lang yan sa Paraiso de Jun Quixote Eco Farm Resort. Everything you need to know, guys, will be discussed here on this video, so please stay tuned, okay? Ayan, guys, as you can see, we're on our way to Paraiso de Jun Quixote Eco Farm Resort. Ang haba ng name nila, no? Yan, nadaanan pa namin ang Torres Farm. Yan. And if you try to search them, guys, sa Google Maps, you might see two Paraiso Resort, okay? That is because nahahati yung resort sa dalawang city. As you can see, guys, dito banda yung Naik, and then dito naman yung Maragondon. Guys, always follow na lang yung kanilang Naik address, okay? Kasi dun yung main entrance nila, okay? However, guys, if gusto nyo namang mag-swimming, yung swimming area nila is nasa kabilang side. That's why you really have to cross yung kanilang 160 meters na skywalk hanging bridge, okay? Finally, we're here! Naligaw pa! Naligaw pa! you can see guys, we have arrived. So after nyo mag-park ng vehicle nyo, okay, diretso na kayo dito. Diyan yung reception and ticketing booth nila. Alright? Tapat lang yan ng children's playground. Okay? Yan guys, before kami tumawid sa Skywalk Hanging Bridge nila to go to the pool area, yan, play na muna yung Teo namin sa playground. By the way, Momshies, don't worry, walang bayad yan, okay? For free yan, alright? And of course, yung the rest ng activities sa resort, syempre yun, may mga bayad na, which we will be discussing later on guys, okay?
Go, go, Teo. Up, up, up. Wala, ang tapang naman yan. Ang naman yan. Go! Pa. Okay, one more. Ano daw?
Gaya ng nabanggit ko guys kanina, we have to cross yung 160 meters hanging bridge nila, diba? Kasi nga, nasa kabila yung swimming pool area nila. We have a separate video on that, guys. If you wanna watch the full video, please check it out. Plus yung experience din namin sa pag-bicycle zipline. So, yung link will be posted on the description and ilalagay ko din yan sa end screen ng video na to, okay?
Cottage. Oh, go na.
Okay guys, sa cottage naman, yan, we were given small cottage, okay? That's good for 6 packs. Dahil nga, family of 3 lang kami, so yan yung binigay sa amin, okay? That's for 640 pesos, okay? Ayan, ang ganda kasi tapat mismo ng pool. And of course guys, they have bigger cottages that would cater naman for bigger groups and families, okay? Now, next to our cottage is of course yung medium, good for 8 to 10 packs, that's 960 pesos. Large, good for 10 to 12 packs, 1,200. Nipa Hut, big, 14 to 16 packs, 1,600 pesos. And Nipa Hut small, 10 to 12 packs is for 1,360 pesos, okay? Guys, let's discuss naman yung sa food. Alright? Guys, unfortunately, strictly no outside food and drinks allowed sa kanila, guys. Okay? They have an in-house resto where you can order food and drinks. Okay? However, if gusto nyo talaga magdala ng sarili nyong pagkain, pwede naman guys, okay? May corkage fee nga lang kayo na need nyong bayaran, okay? And speaking of corkage fee, so ito yung mga fees nila guys. 1 to 6 packs is for 500 pesos. 7 to 12 packs, 1,000 pesos. And 13 to 20 packs, 1,500 pesos, okay?
Ayan, ito po ang aming lunch. Come on, let's eat. Let's eat na nak, let's eat na muna.
So So ito na guys, let's discuss naman yung rates and entrance fees. Okay, I'm sure you are waiting for this already. Magkano nga ba ang magagastos nyo if gusto nyo ring mag-swimming at mag-adventure sa Paraiso de June Quixote Eco Farm Resort? Okay? For number 1, day tour, adult, 299 pesos. Kids 4 to 12 years old, 249 pesos. Senior and or PWD, 239 pesos. 3 years old below are for free. Okay? And then, second, day tour with swimming. Ito yung kinuha namin. Adult, 399 pesos. Kids, 4 to 12 years old, 349 pesos. Senior and or PWD, 319 pesos. And same thing, 3 years below are for free. Okay? Guys, keep in mind, hindi pa kasama dyan yung mga activities or yung mga adventures nila, okay? Speaking of activities and adventures, guys, ito naman yung mga prices nila for those activities and adventures, okay? So, for number 1, high rope adventure, there are 3 levels. Level 1, 100 pesos. Level 2, 200 pesos. Level 3, 300 pesos, okay? Alright, for number 2, cable jeep. Ito yung cable car na mas kilala natin, guys, 'di ba? So sa kanila, cable jeep siya para Pinoy na Pinoy, 'di ba? One and only in Luzon daw siya. Back and forth 'yan, guys. And that's for only 240 pesos, okay? And then, pang third, 150 meter zip line, 300 pesos. And then yung pang fourth, guys, ito yung kanina pa natin binabanggit, 160 meter skywalk hanging bridge, okay? That's for 150 pesos, okay? And then pang fifth, ito yung favorite namin, guys, na tinry namin, 160 meters zip bike. That's only for 250 pesos. Back and forth na rin yan, guys. Yun nga lang, guys, unfortunately, hindi na kinaya ng powers ko bumalik. Medyo kinabahan na ako, pero okay lang. Kasi ang bumalik is yung husband ko. Alright? Inalaw naman nila. So, super sulit sa aming dalawa nakapag-try kami for only 250 pesos. Okay? Again, guys, we have a separate video on that if you would like to watch our whole experience sa zip biking na yan or bicycle zipline na yan. Watch nyo yan, okay? Nasa part 1 yan. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description and again sa end screen ng video na to. Alright? Okay, guys, let's proceed naman sa number 6, Cavite Swing. Unfortunately, guys, hindi ko to na-try kasi nga, nagpunta naman talaga kami doon is para mag-swimming, alright? Kulang talaga yung oras. Kaya definitely, babalik talaga kami. Alright, so, yan, as you can see, yung price nila, if magdidewata dress kayo, that's 250 pesos for weekdays, and then for weekends naman, 300 pesos. And then, without Diwata dress, 150 pesos weekdays, weekends is for 200 pesos, okay? And then number 7, go-kart pedal, 80 pesos. And then number 8, love locks with custom engraved, 300 pesos. And padlock lang is for 200 pesos, okay? Now, for the number 9, ATV. Alright, so guys, ATV, napakamura lang. 750 pesos for solo and then 500 pesos kung may back ride kayo. Guys, kaya ko naman nasabing napakamura na yan kasi which is napakamura naman talaga. Kasi if you will try that sa sikat na tourist spots sa atin like Bohol, Cebu, minimum, guys, is nasa around 2,000 pesos, okay? So dito sa atin sa Cavite, very affordable, 500 and 750, makakapag-ATV ride ka na, diba? So take advantage nyo yan, guys. Again, hindi namin yan na-try kasi nga nagkulang na kami sa oras. Definitely, we will be back and we will try those, alright? And then, of course, yung last but not the least, yung Crystal Kayak, that's for 300 pesos, okay? Guys, of course, if you've been watching our travel guides for quite some time now, you would know the drill, right? We always mention yung disclaimer natin, okay? So again, guys, disclaimer, prices are subject to change without prior notice, okay? So again, itong mga prices na to na na-discuss natin, ito yung mga price nila nung nag-visit kami nung April 14, 2024, okay? For the most updated rates and pricing, you can always visit all their social media accounts, okay? Facebook, Instagram, or you can even just message them or send them an email, okay? course, hindi kompleto ang travel guide if walang verdict. Guys, highly recommended ko sila. Napakaswerte ng mga Caviteños na dito sa Cavite ito itinayo, okay? Yun nga lang talaga, super bitin kasi nga hindi namin na-try yung mga activities like yung mga nabanggit ko kanina, 'di ba? Kasi nga, we went there talaga for swimming, alright? Kulang talaga sa oras. But it's okay, the more na may reason kami na bumalik, 'di ba? Again guys, it's a jam-packed resort, a must-visit. Napakaraming pwedeng gawing activities na talaga namang mag-enjoy ang buong family, di ba? Plus, budget-friendly pa, di ba? O, san ka pa? Yun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed our travel guide for today. If umabot ka hanggang dito, again, thank you so much. Same drill, if may mga nakaligtaang topic or anything na na-miss natin i-discuss dito, comment nyo lang ulit yung mga yan, okay? And of course, same drill, if you find this video helpful and informative, i-like mo naman, comment, and of course, share nyo sa mga friends nyo na mga nagbabalak mag-visit sa Paraiso de June Quixote Eco Farm Resort. Napakahaba talaga ng name nila. So that's it for me guys. Again, thank you so much and we'll see you on our next gala. Buyers! We're going home. Bye. It's been a long day. There's the heart. So as you can see guys, ayan, pauwi na ang mga fursons. Kapoy na. Nakatulog na rin yung baby namin.